Good morning. Standard 9 subject English. Today we learn a 2.4 poem. Please listen on page number 51 52. Now I read the part of the poem. Listen carefully and tell about it. Listen carefully. Advice is cheap, 20 cents will get you both there, Abby and Billy Grime in the same newspaper. And I can do for myself. I am not helpless, maybe discouraged and flattering, but not helpless. When you do something for me that I can and need to do for myself, you contribute to my fear and inadequacy. But when you accept as a simple fact that I feel what I feel, no matter how irrational, then I can stop trying to convey you and get about this business of understanding what's behind these irrational feelings. See. So, in this part, we learn, see, getting advice. Getting advice is an expensive affair nowadays. And so, a newspaper as cheap as 20 cents an issue carries columns by agony, aunts and uncles. So, there is an example of columnists who give answers to the emotional problem of the readers, here specified as Abby and Billy Graham. Perhaps at times I become a bit unsteady in my resolutions or get discouraged. Still, I can solve my problems myself. I am not helpless. I am not helpless. I can solve my problems myself. When do you something for me? When you do something for me, which I can, or rather I must do myself. Do myself. You are not helping me at all. You are not helping me at all. Means all these things actually do I. And so instead you just add more to my existing fear and lack of confidence. If you tell me at that time, you just add more to my existing fear, add fear and lack of confidence. The next stanza. But when you just accept that, I feel exactly what I feel. You just accept that I feel exactly what I feel. Then I can save the trouble of making you believe it. You believe it. Then the feelings could be irrational. The feelings could be irrational. But that is what I feel. But that is what I feel. Once it is acknowledged, I can go ahead and find out what is behind this irrational, not based on logical thought feelings, not based on logical thought feelings. So this is the explanation of the part of the poem. You read it again and again, listen again and again, and try to understand it. Now we stop here.